Guys, let's talk about a topic which a lot of people have been curious about, whether I will get a job in Germany after I graduate. So there is a big problem in Germany which is called aging population. So what does that mean? It means that Germany has every second person in Germany is older than 45 years old, and every fifth person is more than 66 years old. And the reality is that German social security is very high, which means that as Germans get old, their government is giving them money for healthcare, for their pension, and so on. So typically, the young people earn a lot of money and then they pay taxes, and those taxes go to the older people. So if in a society there are a lot of older people, then it becomes very difficult for that society to sustain. So it is estimated that 1.2 million people need to be immigrated into Germany every year to pay for these extra taxes. So as their population is getting older and older, the supply of young people in the job market is reducing. So a lot of Germans are getting old, and therefore a lot of opportunities are coming up. The economy in Germany is still doing good, and therefore you would see, as a young person who wants to pursue masters in Germany, the opportunity as a very good opportunity. There are a few more things. In 1930, typical average net birth rate in Germany was 2.1. So every family used to have 2.1 children. Now that has reduced to about between 1.2 and 1.6. So you need a certain level of number. So if there is a family, it has to have 2 kids so that the country can maintain a certain level of working population. And means that the older people are living longer. So somebody has to pay for their health insurance, somebody has to pay for their social security, pension, and so on, and that all comes from taxes. So that is something which also needs to be considered. So I'm just saying that there is such a huge need of working population, that you shouldn't be worried about whether you will get a job or not. I think you will get a job for sure, but the only thing is that you need to have the right skill sets, and a lot of people miss out on that. So just focus on your skill set. There is huge opportunity in Germany if you especially learn German. Don't worry about whether you go to a public university or a private university. Quality of life is much better than India. There is less politics at work. There are just so many benefits that you shouldn't miss out on going to this wonderful country called Deutschland. And if you have any questions, just let me know. There will be a lot of negativity. There is already a lot of negativity on Facebook where people will say, yeah, don't come to Germany because of this and that. But I would just let you know that there is no point in getting deep into this negativity. Have a positive frame of mind, develop your skill set, and then just go for it. I mean, going to a different country and living in a different country for a long period of time, let's say more than 5 years, will completely change your perspective to life. I mean, it's not like traveling somewhere, to Thailand for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. That's a different story. But if you start living in a country for more than 3-4 years, it will change your perspective, and you will earn more, you will have better life, and you still have a lot of energy. So I would say that all young students, whether they are from bachelor's or master's or wherever they are in Asia from, they should look at Germany, Netherlands, Denmark, at least for 5 to 6 years of their initial career, to get their masters, to work there for a few years, and then come back. If they want to come back, if you want to work there, that's also fine. And the job opportunities are huge. And the main reason is the aging population and the increase in the life expectancy. Alright guys, so nothing to fear about. There are huge amounts of opportunities. Just rest assured and just keep working hard on your skill set. Cool? Alright, all the best.